Most people think you need years of coding experience and a huge team to build a profitable online business. I used to believe that too, until I stumbled across this PDF tool website that's generating $40,000 every single month with what looks like a one-person operation. But get this, they're actually missing out on an extra $3,000 per month in easy revenue because they're not running Google Ads under 183,000 monthly page views. So I decided to reverse engineer their entire business model and build my own version using only AI tools, even though I can't code a single line. We're gonna set up the subscription system, integrate payment processing, build all the technical features with AI, and add the advertising revenue they are completely ignoring. If this works, we'll have cracked the code on building a $40K monthly business with zero technical skills. Let's dive in. We're starting this project with something ambitious, a fully functional PDF editing app built completely in the browser using Replit. The goal? To create something that works like PDF Liner but built from scratch using open APIs and just a single AI assistant. I want this app to let users upload PDFs, JPGs, or PNGs, fill out forms, draw directly on documents, add signatures, and then download, print, or email the final version. So to kick things off, I'm gonna head over to the AI agent and ask it to build exactly that. I'll type, create a modern, responsive web app that allows users to upload and edit PDF, JPG, and PNG files. Include the ability to fill out form fields, text inputs, checkboxes, date selectors, draw directly on documents, freehand lines, shapes, and add electronic signatures, typed, drawn, or uploaded. Users must be able to download, print, and email the final document. The initial result looks promising. We get a clean UI with a built-in PDF previewer, but right away we can see here a few issues. The form elements are inconsistent and the drawing tools don't play well with the interactive fields. It's not quite ready yet. This means we need to go back and follow up with more precise instructions. The PDF preview seems inaccurate. This format also makes it difficult to add annotations and add text to the PDF. Allow me to fill up the PDF properly by clicking on the fillable text boxes and the checkboxes, as well as the signature. After a few rounds of debugging, it finally clicks into place. The app can now detect form fields and I can interact with them directly. From upload, edit, sign to full document export, the full editing cycle is working. This interactive engine will be the heart of the platform. Everything else, from AI assistants to reusable templates, will build on this. But for now, we've locked in the foundation, a responsive PDF editor that actually works right in your browser. After locking in the core editing tools, I want to bring in some real AI power. Tools that can actually help users read, summarize, and even fill out their PDFs faster. Let's go to the Replit AI agent and type this exact prompt. Integrate OpenAI's API to add 3 tools. 1. PDF Summarizer that generates short summaries. 2. AI Reader that extracts and highlights key content like names, dates, totals, and insights. And 3. Smart Assistant that helps users autocomplete forms like tax documents using both document data and user-provided info. Sounds powerful, right? But now that this is live, we can see here that the entire app breaks. The new AI logic ends up interfering with the core PDF rendering engine. The new features clashed with the core PDF editing logic and completely crashed the rendering pipeline. We need to pause everything, roll back to the last working version, and try to figure out how to reintroduce these tools without breaking the core functionality. This time, I will revise the prompt and make it super clear. I will add this to the initial prompt. Make sure that this is a separate feature. It should not hinder the already built features. These AI tools should have a separate collapsible sidebar. And that does the trick. Now, instead of interfering with the main editing tools, the AI features live inside their own collapsible sidebar. You've got a summarizer that gives you quick overviews, an AI reader that pulls out names, dates, totals, basically anything important, and a smart assistant that helps autofill forms using both the document content and anything the user provides. Best part, everything works smoothly, and the core editor stays intact. This setup not only restores stability, but also sets the foundation for a more modular AI optional workflow. If users want smart tools, they're right there. If not, they stay out of the way. Create a categorized template system for tax, W-9, 1099, 8, legal, contracts, bill of sale, agreements, and real estate, rental forms, lease agreements, and purchase contracts. Users should be able to preview, fill out, edit, and export these forms as PDFs. Include a filter and search option for easy browsing. At first, the results are not great. The AI didn't properly display the available templates, and it took a few prompt adjustments to get everything showing up correctly. Filtering and search weren't working right away either, so I need to wait until the navigation system is stable before those features can be added smoothly. At first, the results are not great. The UI didn't properly disable the available templates, and it took a few prompt adjustments to get everything showing up correctly. Filtering and search weren't working right away either, so I need to wait until the navigation system is stable before those features can be added smoothly. After a few adjustments, everything starts coming together. Now, users have quick access to all the essentials, from tax documents to legal agreements, all editable inside the app. Right now, the main template system is up and running. I'm thinking, why stop there? If this tool is going to be truly useful, it needs to cover more than just legal and tax forms, so the next step is to make it more versatile. I'm gonna expand it with categories that are just as common but often overlooked: medical, logistics, and education. From patient intake forms to delivery slips and school permission slips, I want users to be able to handle all kinds of paperwork in one place. I'm gonna enter the next prompt. Add a second group of categorized templates for medical, patient intake, consent, release, logistics, freight, shipping, delivery, and education, student info, feedback, permission slips. Maintain the same editing and export functionality, ensuring all templates are fully responsive and user-friendly. Once that's set up, I also want to activate the AI Document Assistant on these new templates, so I add another instruction. Implement the AI Document Assistance for the templates. But this doesn't go as smoothly as expected. The autofill feature breaks a few forms, some freeze entirely, and the AI doesn't seem to understand the context of each template at first. To fix that, I will follow up with a more targeted prompt. Allow saving templates and navigation on the templates page to go back to the main page. After those adjustments, the update really makes the app feel like a full product. Users can now browse multiple categories, fill out everything digitally, and never lose their progress as they move around. Most of the main features are already in place, so it's time to set up Stripe subscription billing so I can start gaining access to premium tools. I will ask Replit to set up Stripe subscription billing for access to premium features, lock AI tools and advanced templates behind a paywall. I use Stripe Checkout for payment flow and store user roles to manage access. Show a premium badge on user profiles after payment. The first version works, for the most part, but there's a snag. After payment, some users still don't get access right away. It turns out, Replit authentication layer doesn't always update user roles in real time. So unless the user refreshes or logs back in, the app still thinks they haven't paid. Even with that issue, the premium tier is now active. Free users see locked features, and once they upgrade through Stripe, they unlock full access to the AI tools and advanced templates. It's a working revenue model, and this officially makes the app commercially ready. But to make everything feel more seamless, we have to polish the login system next. Replit already provides authentication, so I want to use that to persist user sessions and control who can access what. But here's the problem. I'm already logged in, and it keeps asking me to log in again. On top of that, it blocks me from upgrading to premium. So I go back and ask Replit. The authentication is not working properly. I am already logged in and it is asking me to log in again. And it is preventing me from upgrading to premium. After that fix is applied, a session memory is added, along with role-based access control, and the system also makes sure that users can move between pages, AI tools, templates, dashboard without losing state. All I can say is, the app feels a lot more stable now. The login is persistent, roles are properly tracked, and users no longer run into dead ends while navigating. The final result is a smoother experience for both free and premium users, backed by a reliable access system. While premium features are now handled through Stripe, I also want to monetize free tier users. So I will ask Replit, integrate Google AdSense for free tier users, display ads in the sidebar and below the main content area. Make sure ads are responsive and do not interfere with document editing. Hide ads for premium users. Now here's the thing, Google's ad approval process takes time, so while waiting for the actual ads to go live, Replit sets up placeholder banners in all the right spots. This gives me a clear idea of what the monetization layout will look like once approval comes through. The ads are positioned carefully, tucked into the sidebar and placed below the main content, just like I asked. They don't interfere with editing or block any key tools. And as soon as someone upgrades to premium, those ad sections disappear entirely. Even though the real ads aren't live yet, this setup gives the free experience a finished look. It shows exactly how the platform can stay free for casual users while still generating revenue in the background. If you're into AI-powered builds, no-code walkthroughs, or you're just curious about how far you can push tools like this, make sure to subscribe. There's a lot more coming and you won't want to miss it.